All right, today I have a GMC Sierra, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this particular GMC Sierra. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm inside of the GMC Sierra. In order to turn on the parking brake, what I'm going to do is, I'm in the vehicle, I'm going to press my foot on the foot brake, and then I'm going to come over here, and you see on the left-hand side right here, there is a button with a P and a circle and a semicircle on outside of that. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and press this, and when I press that, you can see on the instrument panel, it is something that said park, goes as park right here. It said parking brake set. All right, so I have turned on the parking brake. Now I'm taking my foot off of the foot pedal brake, and then I'm gonna come back over here, and I'm gonna press this again in an attempt to turn off the parking brake. And when I do that, this is what it says. It says, step on brake, so I'm gonna do it again. Step on brake to release park brake. Okay, so it did not turn it off. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to have to go back down here, press on the foot brake, and then come back over here to where this button is right here, and I'll press this while my foot is on the foot brake. It said parking brake set, and I'll press it again. All right, and it turned off. Okay, so let me show you it again because that wasn't quite clear. All right, I'm gonna turn it on. All right, so it's set. And then I'm gonna come over here, foot on the brake, pedal brake, I'm gonna press this. And the parking brake turned off. You can see that the indicator on there is now showing that the parking brake is not on. There is no park light. It was lit up right there. So that is how you turn on and off the parking brake in a GMC Sierra. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.